Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In the last video we took care of the headlights. Now we're gonna hit the front grille. This is an easy quick mod. It's just couple clips, pull them out and swap it out. So let me show you what the current grille is. This is the factory chrome grille. It's kind of so you can see coming off there. All right, so let's take a look at what we're going to be installing today. Oh, that would probably been easier. See what we got here. We got all blacked out. We got blacked out grills. All right, blacked out kidney grills. We're gonna replace these here factory grills. So first thing we're gonna do is pop the hood, bring this up, and you can see here you have to go from behind. There's clips that we're gonna have to unfasten and pop this off. Looks like, oh man, they glued this on. Man, I don't know if that's factory or somebody trying to do some repairs, but let's get those off. As you can see, there's glue all in here. Now let's see, let me fight with these and get these off now. As you can see, all we need is a flat screwdriver, and it's just popping these loose, but let's see if it's that easy because of this glue that they decided to put down here. This is definitely not from the factory, I'll tell you that much. There we go. We got it off. Wow. As you can see, this thing was glued on there. I don't know why, but had a bunch of glue on there. This is the full replacement. This just pops in here like this. I'm assuming. Maybe the other side. Here we go. I'm gonna clean this up. Didn't want that to happen. You know what? Let's pop off both and then we'll clean them up. There we go. I think we got this one out now. Come on. There we go. We get this one out. This one is cracked and damaged, and you can see it's cracked right here. So you can see this is the front grill without anything on it. So we're gonna clean all this up and get all this out of here. So let's see. Alright, so now we got those off. Let's see, these should just pop right in. Let's see. And there you go. Simple enough. Grab the next one. Again. Pops right in. Perfect. Perfect fitment. Awesome. So let's see how. There we go. We got our blacked out kit on. Clean it up a little bit, get those fingerprints off. So that's it for today's video. That's how you install the kidney grills. Blacked out, took out the factory ones, installed the new black ones. So like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.